I've ever seen. Sweeter than a tangerine. Reality and fantasy. Or should I say your majesty? Should I say? Would you care to dance with me? Happily. Okay. She likes me up gasoline. Don't worry about them. Cause it's all about me and you. I ain't worried about them. Cause it's all about me. My left, your left, my chest to yours. I'm fresh, but your dress is incredible. You are unforgettable. Dancing, she moves like water. Water, water. I love how she moves like water. Water. But she got this grip about her. And the dance floor's dry without her. Dancing, she moves like water. So I travel way beyond the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and I ain't never seen nothing that can move this specific. It's like her body's been liquefied. No belly dancer, no hagala. Difference from the ISO's a little bit further, a different type of element, but so smooth. Tarasha, tarasha, tarasha. I stay clear cause it's possible that she can pull out the worst me bursting. And I can tell she in the mood, cause all the fellas they be looking all thirsty. Red dress, guaranteed that her eyes will leave me hairless. Warning label should've read less. My Lord, she's so dangerous, cause when she dances she moves like
Make some noise for Brajan Kasia! Katowice, Poland in the house, baby! Now from